What's up, everyone? Scott from Scott's Top Tips. We're going to do more cleaning. I'm going to show you a professional cleaner that works extremely well. One of the best products that I have used. And I do all kinds of cleaning in my house, family, day-to-day stuff like we all do. It just gets to be mucky and build up and all that. So I like to always clean. Plus, what's nice about cleaning just kind of clears my head. So yeah, I like to clean, man. I like to clean. Okay, this is LA's totally awesome cleaner. Seriously, that's what it says here. Take a look at it. This stuff works great. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go around to all of my doors that get all that little grime and muck that actually build up, on the door handles. And most of us don't even close the doors with the door handle. We use the edge of the door and we shut it. So, hey, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to start cleaning, bring you along, and you're going to enjoy the satisfaction. All right. I also use a terry cloth towel. This way it doesn't tear or rip. Look at that. I already started pulling off a lot of the muck. All right, let's move on to some of the other areas of the house. Dude. There you go. Look at that. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Just all the prints and everything. That's nasty. We're going to clean that up right now. What's good about these terry cloths as well is after they get all nasty, just throw them in the washer, dry them out, and reuse. This is a real life clean with me. No special effects here. Just using this spray. It lifts up the dirt and it's just phenomenal. This one is the worst. Look at that. Let's get to it. Yeah. Okay, I'll be there in a second. It's just amazing to have a product that, yeah, that stuff. Instead of spending all that money on stuff that brand name or whatever, it just doesn't work. And it's expensive. Nice and clean. Whoa. All right, handrails. Obviously, handrails capture all kinds of gook and just nastiness over the months and years if you don't clean. So put some of this on it. And of course, with this, I'm going to go ahead and just let it sit just for a sec. Let the solution work under all the dirt and grime. Again, you're being the professional cleaner here. But look at that. I'm just amazed. I'll show all this once we're completely done. So now, just want to work it. I'll actually go down a little bit so you can see the edge of where it was clean to where it's not. Yeah, look at all right there. So up here you can put some furniture polish or wax. Get that all nice. Here, let's go ahead. Look at that. I mean, this stuff just works phenomenally. You always want to rotate your cloth to a fresh portion that actually has a little bit of the roughage, where you can see a lot of the fabric popping up, because that gets in deep and soaks up all of the dirt. If you're constantly scrubbing on just a soiled patch there, nothing's getting soaked up. So again, professional cleaning tip. Make sure you're using, on these terry cloths, a lot of the unused or less soiled portions of the towel. This is another area that always has hands on it. Let me get some of this grime off there. So we can get some light up in here. There we go. Another thing good about using a cloth that doesn't tear is you can get your fingers in like a glove and work through all the little crevices. Another pro cleaning tip. You'll find that your fingers work extremely well as a tool, a cleaning tool. Nice. All right, you ready for the reveal? Hold on, my bandana. I always put these on because I just sweat a lot when I'm doing even the most mundane cleaning task. I just put these bandanas on. Here we go. Look at all of that. Isn't that nasty? All right. And this I'm actually just going to wash. Regular laundry detergent. This will be pretty much white, and I'm going to reuse it again. I won't even have to put it in the dryer to dry out. I'm just going to hang it out in the backyard or in the garage. There you go, fold it up, ready to reuse. So again, using this stuff, it works extremely well. So LA's totally awesome cleaning solution, multi-purpose. It works. Check it, check it. Let's get the shot. Let's get the shot. Yes. Yes. All right, Scott's top tips. We'll see you on the next one.